I want to know, like, and this is another question that I see newcomers ask, like, what sort of skills do you think that are actually required to be in this industry versus what would be nice to have?
Passion. I will start with passion.
Yes.
And later I will answer, but passion is the first one. You need to love the field. And if you're driving a company, you need to have a purpose. Why you are doing this? It's because you want to help someone. It's because you want to make the life of someone easier. It's because you want to automate a process. You cannot enter to this game thinking of what I want is to be acquired by Google in 3 years. No, that is not going to happen, because it's really challenging and you're going to be tested every single day.
Mm-hmm.
And therefore, if you don't have that passion, you are going to let it go. Now, in terms of your technical backgrounds that you should have, is like you were saying, diversity is what is impulsing this whole field. I'm a mechatronic engineer. When I was studying, basically they gave me the basics of mechanics, electronics, and control systems. If you are a software developer, a pure software developer, you can also be part of the community. If you are an electronic engineer, you can also be part of this community. Even if you are a psychologist or someone that study about human-computer interactions, you can be part of this community, because a lot of what we do is putting robots in human environment. Therefore, we need to clearly understand our final user. And if you are a psychologist, or if you are someone from healthcare, or if you are someone with that knowledge, you are bringing a plus. So I don't think that there's a barrier, like what titles you have in order to come here. You have to simply understand where are your skills and how your skills can help you play and improve your company, improve your venture, improve your project. So yes, maybe that is not the answer that you were looking.
I think it's a great answer, because I appreciate the answer, because my background is in graphic design. I went to school to study graphic design, and I never ended up doing that professionally. I moved into the cloud, and from the cloud, that's how I came to work in robotics, because I came in 10 years ago when there was a need to start deploying applications, actually. So there's a need to start taking the telemetry data and pushing it out to the cloud. And back then, there was nothing about that. There was a huge opportunity to create developers that needed to know how this infrastructure works and put it into place, because there was a lot of people, there were a lot of electronic engineers, a lot of mechatronics engineers, and they were very focused on making things move and making things sense to the world around them. But what about taking that data back home? That didn't happen.
And even your background in design, when you're making a robot, it has to be ergonomic. It also has to be appealing.
Yes. Oh, definitely.
So if you are out there and you think that, no, this is only for software developers. No, I need to have a title in mechanics.
So I don't need a PhD to get started in robotics.
You don't need a PhD to get started in robotics. You just need to understand how you can apply your skills in the sector.